Hello, my name is William. I am in the Central Valley of California. My fiance and I decided to purchase a home, and in doing so, we decided to have one built. In that process, one of the things that kept coming to my mind was get all of the things that needed to be done with the home, all of the maintenance together before it started to erode and destroy my dream home. One of those things that I had thought about doing for quite some time was LeafFilter. The LeafFilter product, it seemed to me like it was protecting not only the house and the ground below, but also the roof, the systems within the roof, and keeping the moisture out of my home. One of the things that happened upon my first inquiry was I had a visit from a very friendly salesperson who came to my home, showed me several different options of leaf and gutter filter systems that were available in stores and different places. Then she showed me the leaf filter system, which seemed to be the most strengthened and long-lasting system that I could have afforded. The process was very simple. Once we went through all of the setup time and the scheduling, the installer came out and in one day was able to get everything completed, very little noise. The system was in place and I was billed for the amount that I had agreed to, and it's been in place since. I have made several recommendations and I will continue to recommend the system to all of my friends and neighbors, and especially in the neighborhood where I live. They're all new homes, and they are all appreciative of the fact that I have started this process here, and they're able to see it in actual live action. So I hope you guys have a great day.